Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. ERD has developed a full and comprehensive test for these forward ignition controllers, used in heavy equipment such as genie boom lifts and scissor lifts. Our test checks for the timing and coil firing, plus we test the system's vacuum advance and braking mechanisms. We also connect the output to a custom load to verify it will provide the right spark for the engine. These modules are used with a series of engines by Ford and sold as a package. With the repair and test process now fully developed, we can return these modules at a very efficient rate. So if your engine is having issues starting up, call today for your quote.